Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to improve your English communication with the help of some robots. Yes, there are lots of mobile apps which we are running on Google Play Store, and you can find them very easily, like Google Assistant, Alexa. Alexa, it is from Amazon, and there is an app Siri. Siri usually used for iPhones, and it's a product of Apple. But if I talk about Google Assistant, it's a very interesting and funny app. You can learn or improve your English communication with the help of Google Assistant. See how does it work. So just tap on Google Assistant, and if you okay, yes. Hi Alex, hi Google Assistant, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you for asking. I hope you and your loved ones are safe and healthy. Let me know if I can help with something.
Yeah, sure, why not? So what is the temperature of today?
In Amroha today, expect a high of 38 and a low of 27.
Okay, so can you tell me something about artificial intelligence?
No complaints here. Artificial intelligence is the only kind I have.
Can you define artificial intelligence?
According to Wikipedia, artificial intelligence is intelligence demonstrated by machines, as opposed to the natural intelligence displayed by humans or animals.
Okay, Alexa, I wanted to know that how could I improve my English? Can you help me?
Here's information from EF less than B greater than English less than B greater than live, EF education first.
What are the basic stacks if you want to learn a new
According to
language?
HackerEarth, basics of stacks.
No. I want to ask what are the basic steps of learning a new language?
Here's a summary from Fluent U. The fastest way to learn a new language in 8 simple steps. 1. Set language learning goals. 2. Learn the right words. 3. Study smart. 4. Start using the language all day, every day. 5. Seek out real-life practice. 6. Learn about the culture. 7. Test yourself. And 8. Have fun.
Let's see some more interesting facts about Google Assistant. Can you open YouTube and play song Nana?
नैना जो सांझ ख्वाब देखते थे नैना.
Okay, so can you please open my WhatsApp?
Opening. WhatsApp.
Google, do you know how to speak in Hindi language?
Okay, I'll respond to you in Hindi from now on.
ठीक है, तो मुझे कुछ हिंदी में जोक्स सुनने थे.
इससे मुझे हंसी आती है. आइए देखें कि आप इसके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. अध्यापिका, वाक्य को अंग्रेजी में ट्रांसलेट करो. वसंत ने मुझे मुक्का मारा. संजू. वसंत पंचमी. किताबें पवित्र होती हैं, उन्हें मत छुओ.
एक और.
पिताजी, संजय क्यों रो रहे हो? संजय, गुरुजी ने मारा. पिता, तुमने क्लास में गड़बड़ की होगी. संजय, नहीं, मैं तो क्लास में चुपचाप सो रहा था.
Okay, can you give me an example of English conversation in mall?
मुझे ये नतीजे मिले.
I want to change my language in English.
ठीक है, असिस्टेंट की भाषा को अंग्रेजी में बदल रही हूँ.
I want some example of English conversation in shopping mall.
According to less than b greater than English / b greater than dash at dash home.com. Example shopping conversation. Or, yes, I'll take it.
Now I want to know the correct pronunciation of appropriate.
That's pronounced appropriate.
What is the correct pronunciation of schedule according to USA?
That's pronounced of schedule according to USA.
And what is the pronunciation of schedule according to UK?
According to Jacob Marianne, the reason is that it is pronounced differently in the UK and in the US. In the UK, the prevalent pronunciation is jal, while the prevalent pronunciation in the US is schedule.
Which pronunciation we should follow of UK or USA?
Here is some information for should I use British or American English? According to MMM English. But if not, then focus on British English because most other English speaking countries use British English grammar and spelling standards.
What is the correct pronunciation of opportunities?
That's pronounced opportunities. Here are some details. Opportunity. 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 Opportunity.
Can you do a group discussion with me?
I'm always here to talk.
Why do you think that money is important or education?
Here's a summary from Burnett News Club. Education will get you a job, which will earn you money. However, money brings you the necessities of life, water, food and shelter. So, education is better, more important than money, because if you are educated, you will soon be able to earn money.
Okay, thank you very much Google for today.
You're most welcome. I'm here to help. Anything else you'd like me to do?